This is the National Cycle Route number 7 in Dumfries and Galloway. And behind me, we have a bog. It's all very wet, and so the only way to get across it was to make a boardwalk. And obviously, if they made a timber boardwalk, it'd be, well, this has been in place now for 20 years, so it would have been replaced probably 3 times, going on 4. But it is, of course, no surprises, recycled plastic. So let's have a look. So let's have a look at any damage to the recycled plastic. Well, I don't know. Actually, to be fair, this does look as though it may have been replaced, that panel, that one panel. But the floor looks pretty good. Certainly got plenty of traction on it. I can see here where one of the rails has been damaged. It needs to be put back on again. And there's another one over there. But if that is the only thing that's actually wrong with it in 20 years, if it has survived that long without any other breakups, that's pretty amazing. Let's have a quick look and see if we can see underneath. So, well, it's a bit furry. Plant life has, as you can see on the other side there, there's plenty of plant life, but it all looks pretty much as how it should be. There we go, down there. Let's have a look. This is this stainless steel, of course. They've done a good job here with that. That is pretty much the only kind of material that you want to use as fixings, because what is the point in using something that's not going to last as long as the recycled plastic? Because it's a boggy place. And even if it wasn't, it's in Scotland, so it's going to get a lot of rain. Wow, I'm impressed.